Hi, my name is Galvin from LDS Automotive Group. Welcome to our new video series. So many of you know that at LDS Automotive Group, we practice two Japanese business philosophies, namely omotenashi as well as Kaizen. So broadly speaking, omotenashi means hospitality and Kaizen means continuous improvement. So in this new video series, we're going to talk about how we utilize the Kaizen concept to help improve our service offerings to all our valued clients. So I'm sure that many of you are aware that at LDS Automotive Group, we started off as a workshop, and for over 20 years, we were specializing in car repairs as well as insurance claims. In 2014, after I came back from Japan, we started to diversify our service offerings to include parallel importing as well as vehicle leasing. So one of the reasons why is because we wanted to increase the variety of services that we can offer so that we can serve a wider range of clients like yourself. However, it was not a bed of roses for us from the start. We had more misses than hits. At the start, we didn't really know how to properly serve clients who were looking for brand new cars. And we didn't know how to effectively get them the loans that they needed. And worst of all, we didn't know much about COE bidding neither. So for all our fans and friends who have been following us for the past few years, what has been your favorite improvement at LDS Automotive Group? In the next episode, please allow us to share with you one of the bigger logistical challenges that we overcame during our Kaizen process. Stay tuned to find out what that was.